After designing laminate, you will design a positioning jig on top of it. Run Medit design. Start a new design without selecting an existing one. Import data of the upper and lower scan data, laminate, and plane. Enter the edit mode. Select Combine feature. Combine the laminate and mandible scan file. Unlike Union mode, Combine mode means the three meshes are in one file, but it is separated from each other. If you simply increase the thickness as they are, the three meshes will each have their own thickness, and this may not be the intended result. Instead, we will use the blogger feature to unify the outer surfaces. Modify the orientation to minimize undercut to buccal side. You will have one new shell after the blogout. Select the duplicate feature. Duplicate a wide area including teeth number 31 and 41. Select the second feature. Prepare a body of the jig by giving 1 mm thickness. You won't be able to find any empty gap when you align the jig and lower scan file. Use offset feature to allow some gap. Apply an offset of 0.05 mm to the laminate and the mandible scan file. Select the Boolean difference feature. Subtract the offset laminate and the offset mandible file from the jig body. Create windows between the teeth to make it easier to remove the cement. Select the second feature. Select the plane and give it a thickness of 0.5 mm for both directions to make it total 1 mm thickness. Duplicate two more separating walls after exiting edit mode. Enter transformation mode. Position each of the three separation walls between the teeth. Enter edit mode again. Select the Boolean different feature. Subtract the three separation walls from the outer surface of the jig body to complete the positioning jig.